Come with me on a tour of the Gulf Coast Research Laboratory out in southern Mississippi, where I'm doing my master's research. Here's me just waiting to get on a boat to go do some research out in the Gulf. And here's the Gulf Coast Research Laboratory. Here's where I've been based at for about a year now, doing my master's research on fisheries out in the North Atlantic. I'm modeling fishery dynamics based in offshore wind and size limitations. But I also take some really cool classes in coastal science out here, and it's a great lab to be a part of. And we have some really awesome views. So I'm just going to be taking you guys on a tour of our grounds real quick. This is where we do a lot of our boat launches. We also have some kayaks that we can take out, which is a lot of fun. And here's the field studies building. And inside is a nice patio where I like to do a lot of my studying, and I meet people to go over our studies. Here's the oceanography building. Here's the lovely computer where I do a lot of my models. But it's not all modeling. Here's a fun crab sighting right outside of our lab with a pretty sunset that's starting. We get a lot of great sunsets around here on the Gulf, and you get a lot of great opportunities. Like, this was some views from my time when I was out on a NOAA vessel doing a groundfish survey for a full week. Got to see some really cool things out there. There's a lot of great research opportunities. Like, this was not too long ago when I was out helping a lab mate of mine sample for oyster larval water samples, and then also taking some optical instruments out with our Stennis lab, which is a part of the NASA lab that's tied to the Gulf Coast Research Laboratory here in southern Mississippi. But yeah, that's just a little bit about the lab I'm working in. Thanks for watching.